Hello everyone, I am Tariq Jamil from Tariq 360 YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another new video. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Aweber email marketing autoresponder with ClickFunnels account. So at first, log in onto your ClickFunnels account and log in into your Aweber email marketing autoresponder account. So then go to the ClickFunnels account and go to the account setting, top right corner, click on account setting. Okay, now scroll down and click on integration from here. So click on it and then click on add new integration. So you'll see the list of integration services here. So I'm using Aweber email marketing software. So click on Aweber button here. Now you can integrate with Aweber email marketing autoresponder. You can give it any name or you can also keep it blank, no problem. I'm writing Aweber. Okay, now click on connect integration. It will redirect it to Aweber email marketing autoresponder pages. Now click on allow access. So it was successfully connected. On top right corner you are seeing there Aweber has successfully created. So now you can send email and collect email list from Aweber email marketing autoresponder. Just while creating funnel you can use this. So that's all for now. If you have any problem, write down the comment below. Like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks again.